I've funded hundreds of real estate deals in the Western US. I've seen investors walk away with six-figure checks, and I've seen can't-miss projects bleed out until there was nothing left but a half-renovated kitchen and a foreclosure notice. Real estate isn't HGTV. It's not about picking the right backsplash. It's a math problem. I'm going to break down the 3 specific mistakes that turn profitable flips into financial crime scenes. These aren't theories. These are lessons learned from all the deals I've funded over 17 years as a hard money lender. Mistake number 1, you are looking for the best case scenario. I saw a first-time investor recently who had a spreadsheet that looked perfect. He bought right, and his rehab budget was tight. But his timeline? He banked on a perfect 4-month turn time. He didn't account for reality. He didn't account for a subcontractor disappearing for 2 weeks. No, 2 weeks. And he didn't account for winter stalling his showings and tightening his cash flow. Every day that property sits, it eats costs like lender payments, insurance, utilities, taxes. And when a 4-month project turns into an 8-month project, you aren't just losing time. You are incinerating your profit because holding costs drain your reserves. The pros, they don't budget for when things go right. They budget for when the world catches on fire. If your numbers don't work with a 3-month delay, you don't have a deal. You have a gamble. Mistake number 2. Starting without cash reserves. I had a file cross my desk where the investor had the down payment and the rehab budget to the penny. But halfway through the project, material costs increased big time. Suddenly his budget is blown. He needed a gap lender to save it. But because he was tapped out, the cost of that capital went up. We call this the squeeze. Amateurs, they think cash reserves are extra money, but professionals, they know reserves are the only thing standing between them and a half-finished house they can't sell. Cost overruns are common, so plan for them. Always carry a 10 to 15% contingency fund. Mistake number 3, relying on a bank's pre-approval. I saw a deal in Idaho Falls, an undervalued duplex where the seller needed out immediately. There were 2 offers on the table. Offer A was a higher price funded by a traditional bank. Offer B was a lower price but funded by us, a hard money lender. The seller took offer B, our offer. And why? Because certainty of closing beats a slightly higher price, and sellers know that. Offer A failed because banks are built for perfect borrowers, not fast timelines, and the seller needed fast. They were still asking for conditions and pay stubs on day 5, the bank. We closed offer B in 5 days. Day 1, we pulled title, and day 5, we wired funds. Speed requires coordination, not luck. In order to get a good real estate deal, you need a lender with speed. So if you're making offers on properties with a financing contingency like your bank or credit union, you're already out of the game. Real estate investing is simple, but it is not easy. The market, it punishes optimism and it rewards your preparation. So don't underwrite the best case and don't run out of cash and stop trusting banks and credit unions that move slower than the DMV. If you have a deal that makes sense on paper and you need a lender who speaks the language of speed and asset value, apply at the link below. We don't do fluff, we do funding.